Underestimating me.
I'm checking.
Checking what?
Check.
I say I'm not smart enough.
I'm not saying you're not smart enough. I'm trying to... Tak apalah. Minta maaf je lah ya.
Tak, dulu nak jadi fashion designer. And sepaham I, kalau kita nak jadi tu, kita kena kerja di bawah. So, kerja dekat butik. You know, to understand about stocks and all. But, yeah, I learned a lot. I dapat commission RM3 for every baju. I was 19.
Yeah, but RM3 is like what? Nasi lemak sebungkus?
RM3 atau 3% lah. I think it's 3%. 3% sounds better.
Sounds better.
Okay, probably 3%. 3% lah, mana ada RM3? 3%.
But if it's below RM100, it's so bad.
No, the baju mahal-mahal, like 700, 800, 1000.
Oh, kaya lah kau.
Okay, I don't remember berapa banyak I dapat. For a month. Bulan puasa kerja. Yeah. What? My parents tak bayar kerja.
Tak apa, I bagi you kerja.
Ingat you kata, tak apa, I bagi you. Bayar kerja. I love money.
Yeah, I have money.
Really?
Yeah.
Aduh. Buaya. Tak, macam every time I nampak dia tulis buaya. Padahal macam-macam orang puji you kan?
Yeah.
I choose what I see. Pakai lens apa tu? You know, this is my natural eye colour.
Pening saya. Tak adalah.
Okay. So hari-hari orang tak I tanya, so I curious je. Macam kalau kedai baju, hari-hari orang masuk cari baju. Motor macam tu juga ke? Hari-hari orang masuk masuk nak tengok motor? Hari-hari?
Hari-hari. Tapi kalau you tak buat live, susah jugalah. Sebab sekarang banyak orang beli motor online kan.
Oh, online ni kemudah ke?
Actually cost lagi tinggi, but kalau you mau volume, you have to go online. Sekarang kita ada satu problem.
Macam dekat beg kuning tu, bukan?
Yeah, but beg kuning, they fill in the information so that we can get information and we can contact them and sell them motorcycle lah.
Oh, bukan dia macam add to cart.
No.
Okay.
But sekarang we got a problem, very big problem.
What problem?
So direct competitor, dia hantar cyber trooper, hantam account kita. So all of our account kena ban.
Oh, account
TikTok. All of our account kena ban.
baru?
Yeah.
Yesterday yang semalam you buat live tu?
Kena ban dah. Yeah.
So now you only have your personal account.
Only have personal account. That's why I'm so scared.
So
And
yesterday, that was the last live?
Yeah.
Oh.
Our next live is another 2 weeks from now, so it's very bad.
I doakan semoga di-unban and more sales.
I doakan supaya bisnes dia runtuh.
Jangan. You don't pray bad for others.
No.
You pray for the...
Dia macam ni tahu, bisnes, kita tak kacau orang, orang tak kacau kita.
Yeah.
Okay? But you tak akan, you sepatutnya buat bisnes, tak patut turunkan orang untuk naikkan diri.
Yes.
Betul?
But
And then,
karma
kepala
happen.
otak I, you think semua benda ada karma.
If you do bad things to people, then...
No, you know what he say, you know, we all know that he is the one who go and reported. And he say, you know what? You say, I thought young men nowadays business macam tu kena turunkan orang baru naikkan diri. So what kind of mentality is that, man? And he is the one who come, he is the latecomer, you know. He asked us how to do life. He asked us how to handle social media. We teach him, you know. But we didn't teach him to tekan orang. We didn't teach him to bully orang. So pissed, man. Someone know them for 10 years already.
Nah, marah, people watching.
Oh, sorry.
But we pray for the best.
Yeah. Okay.
Smile.
Ya, tikam belakang. Buat bisnes tak boleh macam tu kan? Oh, sorry.
Are you meeting your friend or you cancel?
I cancel already.
Oh. Which friend are you meeting? Pergi je lah jumpa.
I want to see you.
Dah, you dah jumpa I dah. Go. No lah. Why? You don't...
Never push me away, I tell you.
I'm not pushing you.
I come here because of you. I know what I want to do. And never push me away. I don't like that.
I'm not pushing. I'm just... Dia ni kan.
Betul lah.
I
Betul.
bukan push.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to feel guilty.
You're not feeling guilty. I made the choice. Whatever choice I made, I know what I want to do.
Okay.
And I'm taking the consequences myself, not you.
Okay.
Betul tak?
Okay, Hawa barulah juga kenal James beberapa bulan.
No, less than a month, bro.
So, tak tahu dia macam mana. So, how is he like actually? Macam...
Ada yang follow James lah. Cuba komen sikit.
Hawa dengan James adik-beradik ke? No, some people ask, adik-beradik ke?
No.
They look like siblings mah.
Muka I macam Melayu ke?
You cakap muka I, he said, he looks so Chinese.
Yeah.
You don't look Malay at all. So I cakap, oh, okay, so now I'm not your type anymore. So, yeah, dia macam,
Turn off sikit lah.
yeah, so don't worry, James tak suka I pun. Sebab dia suka tak nampak Melayu. Yeah, tak apalah, member pula ramai pilihan. What? Tak, I tanya dia, cantik ke? Dia kata, pernah jumpa orang lagi cantik. Dia kata, you are not the smartest girl I met. You're not the prettiest girl I met.
Wah.
Said that.
He said that. He was really...
Wah. No, I'm not a dick. Okay, perempuan memang simpan dendam. Ini bahaya, siut.
Yes. Tak, bukan perempuan. I ada red flag juga. You said that right, James.
I said that. But you didn't finish the sentence. I said, I chose you.
Okay.
It's not people being smart or pretty. I don't choose that. I chose you.
You're not the prettiest girl I know. You're not the smartest girl I know. Okay, tapi I dengar sampai situ je.
And I said I chose you.
What?
Ya, betul tak? I tanya korang korang pilih pasangan pilih yang paling serasi atau paling hebat?
So, I serasi ke? You rasa serasi ke dengan I sekarang?
Yang you rasa comfortable.
You
Serasi
selesa
means
ke?
comfortable.
You selesa ke dengan
Lagi
I?
dekat lagi selesa.
Kau ni.
Kan serasi kan? Suka hati lah. Kan you punya kawan pun ramai yang kaya-kaya.
Betul?
I tak pernah cakap I nak ngorak mereka pun kan. I tak pernah try pun.
Semalam you nampak kawan I seorang tu?
I kacau je. I nak tengok you jealous ke tak.
I tak jealous.
Tak jealous pun tak apalah. Tapi sakit hati jugalah kalau you tak jealous. Means you don't care.
Huh?
You jealous baru bagus mah. Tak
I
apalah.
kalau...
Dia tanya Hawa selesa ke?
Selesa dengan James. Selesa berkawan dengan James. Why?
Memang mencabar kesabaran aku perempuan ni.
I'm telling the truth. Aren't we friends? Perempuan mana pernah kalah? We are not fighting. Are we fighting?
No.
No.
We will never fight because you always win.
Yes. Okay, thank you. I'm a sore loser.
What's a sore loser?
Macam kalau I kalah, I sedih.
Oh, don't worry.
I'm very competitive.
Okay,
So
I won't let you win. You win from the heart.
How are you so good with words, with girls?
No, I'm not good with girls.
Why? Girls easily fall for him. Topik kita malam ni, understanding James.
Ajak orang 10km. Dia ajak orang 21km. Your 10km tak function.
I'm doing 42 in December.
I'm not gonna do 42, man. Might as well just slaughter me.
You do
42. No, 42.
What do you want?
I want you. No, sorry. I mean, 21km.
42.
No lah.
December, you have 11 months to train. Bulan puasa tak?
Jom sama-sama.
Tak, sahur sama-sama.
Sahur means Makan before puasa, right?
Makan before subuh.
Yeah. Sahur sama-sama.
You know how early that is?
Why you
Yes.
cannot wake up, is it?
You selalu sahur pukul berapa?
Sebelum time lah. I wake up 1 hour earlier
Oh,
for sahur. I can cook. You want? We can meet in the office. I can bring food to the office. Then we meet in the office.
apa pukul 5 pagi nak pergi office?
Yeah, every year I do that.
With who?
With my team lah.
Your
I can-
team sahur kat office?
Yeah, cause not everyone
Go
live
back
their-
home.
Yeah,
Oh,
not everybody
okay.
with their parents, especially those yang living outstation. So the Sabah, Sarawak, anyone who doesn't live with their family can sahur with me on the first day of puasa. What?
No, it's so serious when yeah.
That's true. That's what I do.
Yeah. Betul lah, I forgot because I'm staying with my parents.
Yeah, it's okay. First day you can sahur with your parents. Second day you can sahur with me. So we pick one day we sahur together.
Buka puasa lah buka puasa lah.
Buka puasa.
Sahur dengan nak pakai tudung, dengan nak kena siap, dengan laki senang pakai baju, pakai seluar pendek je. Seluar pakai seluar je.
Apa-apa je lah.
Buka puasa je lah. Sahur my dad pandai masak. I'm daddy's little girl.
Yeah, you can be daddy's girl now. Rawr. Call me daddy.
James, that is not appropriate.
What? One day I'll be your daddy also.
Apa ni?
With your daughter's daddy, I mean.
Kan? I'm so sorry everyone on behalf of James. Saya cuba nak balancekan
Halal.
life. Yeah.
Jangan gelojo.
Tak.
Mana ada gelojo?
You know what my daddy calls me?
What
My
is it?
parents call me? Baby girl.
Eee!
Yeah lah, baby girl. I'm their baby girl.
How does it sound like? Come here, baby girl.
No, that's you calling
Oh, no.
your girlfriends.
How should I sound like?
Yeah, I'm malu. No, my mom call me Abby girl. Abby girl dah balik rumah ke? My mom.
Okay.
Jangan gigi sangat. I
No.
know you call your girlfriends baby girl, but don't make it weird for me.
No.
Okay. And tahun ke berapa you akan puasa? Puasa penuh ke tahun lepas? Tahun ni kalau you puasa penuh,
Ya, kalau saya puasa penuh macam mana?
I bagi you duit lagi lah.
Saya tak ada duit.
Huh? I tahu you banyak duit.
Oh.
Habis, what are you doing?
Okay. You need something more attractive than deep fryer for me to puasa penuh. Because I'm flying to three places this
Yeah.
puasa. Yeah, better reason to puasa penuh.
Dah lah.
Huh? Oh,
Talk
okay,
to
sorry.
people.